Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change match engine in Football Manager Mobile 2024. So you can choose between enhanced or the original engine. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. How you can build up the tactic, how you can create your own tactic, how you can also manage the club like a finance and manage your player. And also, if you want to get this game for free, you can get it from or install it directly from Netflix, but you have to make subscription in Netflix apps. And also, if you don't have a Netflix, you can get it from Play Store or App Store, but you have to pay in some amount. So let's get started. If you wanna switch into original or even enhanced engine, just tap settings, tap it, and tap view. This one, game configuration. Oh, let's get back. Sorry, you have to get back into the main menu or start menu and tap settings from here and tap view. And as you can see, there are 5 options here. Tap the starting configuration. Here, as you can see, the first one is match engine version. There are two here, original or the enhanced. So the difference between these two engines is if you choose the original one, this is a fast gameplay due to not much or no processing. So if you're running this game in a low device or low end or old device, you can use this original engine. And also it's very basic and can oversimplify details such as weather influence there, and many more. You can like disable of the effects of in the match. You can turn this or you can change into original. If you want to choose this enhanced version, this is more realistic due to complex and natural factoring in more details and harder game. If you want to challenge, turn on the enhanced engine. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click text button below. Enjoy the game.